I remember it like it was yesterday. It was July 4th of the year 2000, and I had just headed down to my family's house for the afternoon for all kinds of festivities here in the States where we celebrate 4th of July. And I remember my dad was joking about Clickbank. What's a Clickbank? He thought it was the funniest thing ever. And when I went home that night, after all the fireworks and everything have ended, I noticed in my Clickbank account I had made $21 that day. Now here I am, I was completely away from a computer all day. I was a 20-year-old kid, and I found out, hey, check this out, I made 21 bucks from a website that I set up that I didn't even work on, and boom, it just came like magic, like clockwork. That was the first automatic $21 I ever made on the internet. Since then, I've made millions of dollars online, but I want to make this video to show you exactly how Clickbank works, how you can get started with Clickbank if you're a complete beginner, what are the pros and cons of using Clickbank as an affiliate marketer, and how you can get started making money pretty much right now. Because I'll never forget the feeling I felt. Even though $21 is completely insignificant, the feeling was amazing in thinking, hey, I can make money passively from a website I set up that took about an hour to make back then, and I got paid. So pretty cool. If you want to get paid and you want to learn how to make money with Clickbank, this is the video for you. We're going to show you exactly what Clickbank is, how to get started with Clickbank, and how you can turn a profit. And we're starting right now. Welcome back inside the backyard office. Today what we're going to do is we're going to talk all about Clickbank. How can you make money with the Clickbank? And if you like this stuff and you want to learn all about affiliate marketing and everything like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel here. Click the little bell notification because we actually have live trainings here on the YouTube every single week. So awesome stuff. I'm going to get this wire out of the way. Much better. So make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell notification icon. Let's talk about Clickbank. What is Clickbank? How does it work? Well, Clickbank started about 18 years ago, back when I started internet marketing, and they started as a digital product sales mechanism. If you had a digital product or a PDF download, or like someone I met back when I was selling computers, a legal form business where he had people download all kinds of legal forms, then you could sell it online. What Clickbank did is you would sign up for an account, you would set the price of your product, and then you would tell them what the link was to download the product after someone ordered. When someone ordered, they'd put their credit card information in. That would go to Clickbank. You would get a cut, which was the product price, less $1, less about 7% for processing fees. So it was quite more expensive than a regular merchant account, but it was easy. You'd sign up and you'd be in business in literally minutes. Now, in order to have your product on Clickbank, you have to pay a $50 product look at fee, right? They review your product, make sure it's good, make sure you're not doing anything shady, and boom, once it's approved, you get everything ready to go. You get a link where people can purchase the product and you get paid, which is really cool. Now, that is one side of Clickbank, is the vendor side. Okay, so we have vendors over here. This is if you have a product or service or something that you want to sell. A lot of times they do software, products, services, ebooks, stuff like that. They also get into some physical products as well, but mostly it's digital. So if you're a product vendor, let's say you have a WordPress plugin or you have an ebook or something like that and you want to sell it, you go to Clickbank, you sign up, you get your order forms, everything like that. Now, the cool thing about Clickbank is they have tens of thousands of product vendors, which is really cool, right? There's all kinds of different products, from how to teach your kid to walk or ride a bike to how to make money on the internet. Tons and tons of different products on Clickbank. Now, the other side of the coin is what we call the affiliate side, okay? As an affiliate, you can sign up with Clickbank for free. That's right, it's actually free to sign up if you're an affiliate. You sign up for an affiliate account and you get a username. My username back then was MLM Weapons. Okay, back then my idea was to create software and everything for network marketers. And I did that, and I made lots of money with it. But that was my affiliate name. So your affiliate name will be whatever you choose. And your affiliate name, you can now go and look at these 10,000 or tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of products on Clickbank, and you can promote them as an affiliate. Now, as a product vendor, I have the option of saying, hey, yes, I want to pay affiliates to promote my product. Now, I can set it from anything from like 1% commission to 75% commission, which means that as an affiliate, you can promote the product and get 1 to 75% commission. Pretty cool, right? That means if the product is $100, okay, if I sell it, I get like somewhere in the neighborhood of $68 or something like that. That's after all the fees and everything like that, what I end up with. Really, really cool. Okay, as an affiliate, you're not charged any fees, but because the vendor is charged the 7%, that gets passed on to you. So you got to do your math accordingly. Now, on my site, I actually have a Clickbank calculator where you can figure out this stuff. You could go to affiliatedude.com/clickbank. That's affiliatedude.com/clickbank and see that calculator and learn all about how to make money with the Clickbank. Really cool. All right, so that is how that works. Now, the way that this works is you sign up for an affiliate account at Clickbank. You put your username in. When you go and find a product, let's say you're in the niche of teaching children to ride bikes. This is actually one that I did and actually made a little bit of money with. Or maybe you're in a niche where you're teaching people how to take care of their goldfish. Another one I made money with Clickbank. Or maybe you're in a niche like how to take care of a beta fish. Another one that I made money in Clickbank. So there's lots of ways to make money. You're out there and you're like, okay, I got my website or I got my links for how to train your beta fish or how to take care of your beta fish. Then you'll go to what's called the Clickbank Marketplace. The Clickbank Marketplace is where thousands and thousands of product vendors are listed, and you'll see certain things in the Clickbank Product Marketplace. First of all, you are going to see the product name, the average per sale. Okay, this is the average amount you can expect to make when you sell the product. Then you're going to see what's called gravity. Okay, gravity is how many affiliates have made a sale in the last month. So if there's like 900 gravity, that means 900 different affiliates have made at least one sale. It means it's pretty popular, also competitive. All right, then you're going to see a big promote button. Okay, you're going to click the promote button, and it's going to generate a long Clickbank link. Okay, and this Clickbank link is your affiliate link. Whenever you send someone to the page through this link and they purchase the product, you get paid. So that's how that works. You're also going to see other things like rebill amount. If it's a monthly subscription, you'll get paid monthly, which is pretty cool. I still get paid on some monthly subscriptions. I signed up back in 2011. So that's like 7 years of people paying me like $37 a month, which is pretty cool. It adds up and I get paid every month. And I hardly do anything on those anymore. It's just automatic. So those are what you're going to look at. Now, when you do this link here, this is going to be your link. And you can have links for as many different affiliate products as you want. You could promote all of them if you want. Not recommended. That would be crazy time consuming, but you could do that. Now, what you want to do is you want to find products and services that are based on what your market wants. So if I'm in the market for like how to be a parent, I could go for like kids riding a bike, parenting tips, parenting skills, anything related to parenting. I could go to the Clickbank Marketplace and I can find things to promote, which is pretty cool. Excellent stuff. So those are the two sides. You could be a vendor if you have a product to sell, or you could be an affiliate. Now, most people watching this are looking to get into Clickbank as an affiliate. So let's talk about some of the good, the bad, and the ugly about Clickbank affiliate marketing. So when we have Clickbank marketing, the good side is it's easy. You sign up at Clickbank, you get an account, you can start making money literally instantly. If you can get traffic, you can make money instantly. Very cool. Disclaimer, I don't know how much money you're going to make. This is a tutorial video. Average people watching tutorial videos absolutely make nothing, so it depends on what you do. With that said, you can literally make money right now because the link is live, your account's live, you can get traffic and start making money. Now, that is the plus side. The biggest plus side of Clickbank is it's easy, it's one account, thousands of products, you're in business. The downsides are you have to actually sell stuff. Okay, so the downside is sales, right? You actually have to make a sale to get paid. All right, so if you go out there and you're like, okay, well, I'm getting paid $27 every time someone buys this diet book, you have to actually get people to buy it. Now, with CPA affiliate marketing, this isn't always the case. Sometimes we can get paid just when people fill out forms, download things, call a phone number, fill out try a product out for $1, we get paid. So sometimes it's easier to go with CPA marketing. So that's one of the downsides of Clickbank. Another downside of Clickbank is you get refunds. Okay? Clickbank has a refund policy that's pretty much like 60 days, no questions asked. You ask for a refund, you get it. All right, this affects your sales. Now, a lot of people starting out, if you're paying for traffic, you got to factor in the refund rate. So I usually factor in maybe 10 to 30% just in case we get refunds, okay? So very important. We got to look at that. That's another downside. Another downside is a lot of the products on Clickbank are made by people just trying things out. So they might not be professionally done landing pages that get conversions. So what we want to do as affiliate marketers is we want to promote the things that convert. Okay, we want things that are going to give us what we call the biggest EPC. Okay, EPC, that's earnings per click. If I send 1,000 people to my Clickbank link, how much am I going to get paid? Very, very important. Now, I see a lot of people who do Clickbank, and they brag about numbers like 30 to 60 cents a click, which for me is quite low. I'm not in the business to make 30 to 60 cents a click. I want to make a lot more. Now, granted, in some markets, 30 to 60 cents per click is good, but in a lot of them, like diet and weight loss and money making, that's not going to be good enough to justify the amount it costs to get the traffic. So the EPC is very, very important, and you want to look at that. What I like to do is I like to use Clickbank as a supplementary offer. Very important. So when I get traffic to my site, I always want to have a blog or website, and I always want to capture the names and emails of people who come to my site. Because let's face it, when you promote a sales type thing, the average conversion rate is 1% or lower. Okay? Very important. Follow with me. That means if you send 100 people to the site, 99 are going to leave without you making any money, right? So if 99 people leave out of every 100 and you don't get paid, that means 99% of your marketing efforts are a total and complete waste of time, money, energy, and quite frankly, that sucks. That sucks. That sucks. So what I like to do is I like to set up a blog or website about the topic. The topic could be diet or weight loss or something like that. When we go after the topic diet or weight loss, I can get people to my site and I could say, hey, check this out. I have a guide for you that's going to help you with dieting. They put their name and email for the guide, and now I can follow up with them, right? Now, instead of getting every 1%, I'm probably going to get something like 30 to 60% to put their name and email in the box. Now I'm not wasting traffic. I can follow up. I can make a lot more sales. Okay, and when you're dealing with internet marketing, 1% more can mean all the difference in the world when you're dealing with this stuff. Okay, very, very important. So now I can get 30 to 60% of the people. I'm building a mailing list, right? They put their name and email. And then right after they put their name and email, I can shoot them to the Clickbank offer if that's what I want to do. Now, personally, I like to have a little thank you page with other offers, and you can do really well. Now, this is an example that I did with the tattoo market. When I have a tattoo site, I got my tattoo site, and it says, put your email to search tattoos. Then on the thank you page, I ran an offer for the gift card tattoo offer type thing. It was a CPA offer. I got paid like $1.50 when they put their email in the box. And then I took them over to the Clickbank offers. Now the Clickbank offers made about 10% of the income. So when I got like $300 a day, I was getting about maybe 2 or 3 sales of the Clickbank tattoo book, and the rest of the income was from the CPA offers. Now, if you want to be a real affiliate and actually make this stuff work in a cool way, I would suggest number 1, first and foremost, have your own website. I teach you how to do this at gohubsite.com. You'll be in business in like 2 minutes. Actually, more like 17 minutes, all right? You'll have your first site set up in about 17 minutes if you go to gohubsite.com and follow the instructions. Then what I like to do is capture the names and emails of the people that are coming to my site. That way I can market over and over and make lots of money. And it's extremely easy to do. We teach you all this stuff here on the channel, which is why you're going to want to subscribe right now and click the bell notification icon. So when you're doing Clickbank marketing, 1, make sure your offer fits your traffic method. 2, make sure you're driving them to a website where you either at least have other affiliate offers, or at best create a mailing list. And then when you send them over, you're going to get a check from Clickbank, and you can go in and track everything. So you go into Clickbank and you're like, hey, check it out. The Beta Fish book made me $19 today. The weight loss guide made me $154 today. And this one made me this much. And you can see exactly what's going on at a glance. So it's very cool, very easy, and you can get started right now with Clickbank and affiliate marketing. Now, I hope you liked this little video, and what I would urge you to do if you're interested in affiliate marketing and Clickbank and everything like that, whether you want to be a vendor or whether you want to be an affiliate, go over to affiliatemarketingdude.com and download my free affiliate marketing toolbar. This has all the links and all the tools that you need to get started making a living with affiliate marketing fast, like literally right now if you want to. Again, results not typical, but I know you're going to love that toolbar. It's free and it's got lots of tools. And all I ask is that, hey, if you like it and maybe down the road you want to buy something from me, by all means, go ahead. That's why we put it up there. And that's exactly what I'm teaching you to do with this process. So what I'm going to do over on that site is I'm going to say you want your toolbar, put your name and email in the box. Then you're going to download the toolbar, you're going to use it, and hopefully you'll buy something down the line. That's exactly what we're doing. So if you want to see that process, you can go do that and check out all the things we have for you. So Clickbank, is it the be-all, end-all? Maybe. Maybe not. Is it good? Yes. Is it something you should have in your affiliate marketing playbook? Of course it is. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Give us some comments and questions below. If you have any questions about this, again, I think I was like one of the first couple hundred Clickbank vendors back in the day, and you could get started with this. So thanks again for watching. Subscribe. Hop over to affiliatemarketingdude.com. Get your toolbar, and I'll see you in the next video.